Hello Internet. Today we are going to unbox these Audio Technica earphones, which I bought from Amazon. And actually, I already opened this box, but I didn't use this earphone. So let me see what we have. So here is, box will be very small. It's not coming like this. And here is the earphone, and this is the earphone keeping some kind of ring things you can see, and these are to grip in your ear gripper, or what you can say. And first impression is it's will look like a very cheap product, but it is not true. The quality of wire is by look it is very it will not look like very sturdy, but once you used and you are used to it, you will find it is very good wire quality, and easily it will last long for more than 1 year. It's no doubt. And this is my almost fourth or fifth earphone of this company. It is not like I didn't use other. I used JBL, Sennheiser, all these things, but for me this is the best earphone. And after buying, you will realize that sound quality of this earphone is far better than other which are available in market under 2000. It is not simply like so. First let's see other documentation. It will be very yeah, it's very small. You will not find anything out of this, just one page, and it's very small. It's nothing, some thing and all this thing. And other things are, you will find extra earbuds which are like I think medium and small size, or small or large size, I think ear size. And you can see, yeah, this is one is large size, one is small size, and medium size I think already gripped. And this is for this one is actually, these rubber grips are for ear grip. If you want to use like putting in your ear, then you can use these, otherwise this will work. The design and quality of this earphone is above the average earphone. And let's talk about the price range. Price range is like first time I bought in 2012, it was around 1800, and now I think 2-3 months ago I bought this one. So this is that at that time it was on sale, and it was I got for 750, and I ordered 3. It's not simply one. And talking about the sound quality, it is the best for me. If you want, you can try. And just forget about Redmi, all these things, JBL, even Sennheiser, all these, they will not give. Even Samsung will not give this kind of sound. This is the company which fall under like you can say was, or Sony, Philips, like those in that category this fall. And this is, I think, yeah, it is gold plated, but it will work fine. Talking about the quality, first impression, let's talk about first you will feel okay, you bought something like 50 rupees earphone, but believe me, this is not that much cheap. Actually, what is inside that determine the quality of earphone. So inside of this wire there is a good quality of wire, not very cheap. And this is yeah, this is, and this model is ATH Core 150, and then there is no microphone in this. They will not give. This is ridiculous to ask. I mean, it's very big company from Japan. Although this earphone is made in China, but it's still quality is very impressive. And for 2000 or in this range, they will not give easily, because earphone itself is very good quality. And then we can say it's, I mean, for me it's very good earphone. I am using from last actually I am using from 2012, and this may be it will last easily 1 year, and you will be not regret after buying this. If you are getting 100,000, that means it is very very good deal, and you can use once you use, you will feel okay, this sound is something else, something else. Just forget about bot bot JBL, and then Samsung, even I don't know higher quality, but under 2000 they will not give. Then even Sony, some model there are good under 2000, but most of the time they will not give. They will not give. Even Philips you can buy, but still there, I mean, they will not like. And regarding the study nest, it will, for me it is lasting around 1 year. Why hard using? If you are soft user, and you will use just for traveling or something, not using while sleeping, all these things, then it will easily go above 1 year, and it will be easily. Even this wire quality looks like very bad, but by accident you can stretch it, nothing will happen. I have done this kind of accident so many times, and nothing had happened. I have already, I think, yeah, this one is my old one, which I bought, I think, 1 year ago. And others also I have, like these, but these are, I mean, this one is very good. I bought around 1500, and this is just ridiculous. This is MI something 399. It will pain. If once you use for more than 1 hour, it will pain easily. These earphone you can use for more than, I mean, first time I have used, I think I usually, if you are good listener of music, then you go for it, and easily you will listen for more than 10 hours. You can listen in this earphone, nothing will happen, nothing in no pain, nothing, and you will be like addicted to this earphone. Thank you guys. Please share and subscribe if you like this video.